This is the only system in GoHighLevel that you need to master for you to be able to sign your first client. And I'm going to be sharing it with you because 2 years ago, I wasted 8 full months just to learn GoHighLevel. I have learned every feature, every tutorial, every YouTube tutorial na makikita sa internet, and every 6-hour course na available back then. I have consumed all of it and wasted 8 full months. And when I finally started charging for my work, $5 per hour lang yung charge ko. I don't want you to go through all of that. Gusto kita bigyan ng shortcut because here's something that I wish someone has shown me back then. You don't actually need to know all of the 500 or the 1,000 features na available within GoHighLevel, and you only need to master a simple system to be able to deliver meaningful work for your clients and babayaran ka nila in USD. So without further ado, let's head to my computer and let's get started. Right here in front of my screen is the simple system that you need to build para maging ready ka to sign your first client. So let's start here on the top left. Nakalagay naman dyan, start here. So you need to be able to build this first. First two things na kailangan mo i-build. First of all, you need a calendar with availability. And the calendar na kailangan mong i-build should look something like this. So you can adjust this according to your colors, to your branding, to your liking, to your taste, and according to your availability as well. And this could be done within GoHighLevel as fast as or like as quick as 10 or 15 minutes. And once na mabuild mo na tong calendar na to, you need to be able to build your own pipeline or opportunities as well. And pipeline should look something like this screenshot. And again, this simple pipeline is built within GoHighLevel. So merong stage dyan, yung booked call, showed up, no show, proposal sent, and then closed client. So yan yung multiple stages of the pipeline na kailangan mong i-build so that later on maging functional yung system na i-build natin, which is this whole entire thing. And by the way, by the end of this, you can add this to your resume kapag na-build mo na tong system na to. And that's why ina-encourage kita na ma-build mo siya yourself so that ma-add mo to sa resume mo. Pag nagawa mo na tong system na to, you can add to your resume na kaya mo na yung funnel building, website building, they're pretty much the same. It can have a lead capture mode or it can have like a lead capture feature where it can capture yung lead information. Assuming na build mo na yung calendar, you can then add to your resume na you know how to build calendar form adjustment, you can adjust the form within the calendar, appointment based on client availability, yung calendar settings yan basically, an appointment system so that yung customers ng client mo, they can easily book a consultation, a free strategy call with your client or with the business of your client. And you can add it to your resume as well na kaya mo na mag-build ng reminder emails or reminder email setup with multiple reminders, a show up rate optimization, meaning kaya mo na i-optimize yung show up rate nila for the appointments na ginagawa nila, nurturing emails, pipeline or opportunity setup, multiple stage pipelines, and then multiple step automations. And you can deliver all of that kapag na-build mo na tong simple system na to. So without further ado, start tayo dito sa booking funnel na kailangan natin i-build, which is the 3-page appointment booking funnel. Nandyan yung landing page, yung booking page, and also yung thank you page right there. So let's first start dito sa landing page. I would highly encourage you kapag mag-build ka ng funnel mo or ng website mo, start with templates. Nag-i-exist yung mga templates para hindi ka mag-start from complete scratch. Obviously, kapag meron ka ng template, you need to adjust the colors, the branding, the text na nakalagay dun according to your liking and according to the, depende yun sa kung sinong client or kung sinong business yung kawork mo. So as an example, this right here is a templated funnel na nakuha ko sa GoHighLevel. And by the way, para makapag-practice ka ng sarili mong GoHighLevel, I know I've said na mag-start ka mag-build ng pipeline and opportunities or yung pipeline muna. For you to be able to do that and for you to be able to build this funnel right here, kailangan mo na sarili mong GoHighLevel account. Normally, meron silang 14-day free trial, but with the link in the description, you can start your extended 30-day free trial so that mapapractice mo to, you can start delivering services as soon as you could to your clients. So going back, pag mag-build ka ng landing page, this landing page should include information about the offer, information about the call na ibobook nila, or information about the offer na ino-offer ng client mo or yung ino-offer ng business ng client mo. And it should contain multiple buttons for the CTA. And CTA means call to action. An example of that button is right here. Get an appointment or book an appointment. You should be able to build this sa loob ng funnel or website builder. I'm not gonna dive deep kung paano to binibuild sa loob ng GoHighLevel. If you want more courses about building all of these systems sa loob ng GoHighLevel, I've created this free community, the Colony community, where there are like more than 15 or more than 20 hours of free courses in there. We currently have more than 11,000 members na natututo ng GoHighLevel, and I would like to encourage you, check the link in the description, join the free colony community, and you can get started na aralan yung mga free courses na nilagay ko dun. Every single Friday, by the way, we hop on Q&A calls so that I could answer your questions every Friday, 9 p.m. and I hope to see you there. So assuming na nakaka-create ka na ng sarili mong landing page, supposedly, kapag clinic nila yung button na yan, yung CTA buttons within the landing page, what happens next is mapupunta sila dito sa booking page, which should contain, yung booking page, it should contain a calendar to book a call. And what that calendar looks like is this one right here. So this is a test calendar na na-build ko sa loob ng GoHighLevel. Nandyan yung availability na sinet ko, and also kapag clinic yan ng anyone or clinic ng isang customer, makikita yung mga available time na pwede lang i-book. Supposedly kapag nakapag-book na sila ng call dyan, magte-trigger dapat yan ng automation later right there. But before we dive deeper into the automations building na kailangan natin gawin, tapusin muna natin tong funnel na binibuild natin right here. What happens is that kapag nag-book sila ng call dito, supposedly mapupunta sila sa thank you page. A very simple system and a very simple process. And right here na thank you page, as you can see, templated lang yan, nakalagay lang dyan thank you, and then nakalorem ipsum pa yung text. Supposedly sa thank you page, you should be able to congratulate them for taking the action, and you must reinforce the action they took and why it was a step in the right direction. Dapat magawa mo to sa thank you page so that ultimately merong positive experience yung customer or yung lead na nag-book ng call with the business of your client. Alright, moving forward, assuming na na-build mo na tong 3-page booking funnel right here, what happens next is that this should trigger an automation. Kapag may nag-book ng call, dapat magti-trigger tong automation na to. And how you do that is kailangan mo mag-set up ng automation na may trigger na customer booked an appointment. How that looks like sa loob ng GoHighLevel is something like this. Pag mag-build ka ng automation, meron doon triggers, and dapat nag-e-exist to sa side mo. Customer booked appointment right there. And once you click that, here's what a simple illustration ng, similar to what the automations look like sa loob ng GoHighLevel. So nagsa-start siya as the trigger right here, customer booked an appointment, and you need to configure na itong step na to, itong trigger na to, dapat magte-trigger yan kapag nag-book sa calendar na yan, which is like that. Dapat pag may nag-book dyan sa calendar na yan, mag-trigger itong automation na to. And then, kung sino man yung nag-book ng call, assuming ito siya, person A, or we can just call this na ako yan, si Matthew. Kunwari ako yung nag-book ng call right there. Mapupunta na ako dito sa automation na to, and the next step is that mag-create or mag-update ng isang opportunity. Now, maybe you don't get what this means. This only means na i-add yung client or customer, or i-add ako papunta sa pipeline right here. But before we dive deeper dyan sa pipeline na yan, tapusin muna natin tong automation na to, which is right here. So say for example, nakapag-create or update na ng opportunity, the next step should be, dapat makaka-receive ng email confirmation si Matthew. So maglalagay tayo ng send email confirmation na step. And essentially, yung send email confirmation na yan, or yung send email na step na yan, magsasend lang ng very basic na email confirmation. As an example, maybe ang nakalagay dyan ay, hey, your appointment is booked, appointment is confirmed, and then ilalagay mo dun yung details ng appointment details nila. Ilalagay mo dun yung details, yung date, yung time, and yung booking link as well, which is all done within GoHighLevel. And then, you would be able to see a very similar structure dito sa baba niyan. After mag-send ng email confirmation, you should be able to see wait step, and another wait step right here. So you have wait step right here, another wait step right here, and another wait step right here. And then you have email step right there, email step right there, and a final email step right here at the bottom. So essentially, yung wait steps na yan, yung mga yellow text na yan, yung mga wait steps, kunwari yan, basically, i-configure natin yan na mag-wait yung contact 24 hours before. So assuming na ako yung nag-book, as an example dito kanina, ako yung nag-book, nandito ako, kunwari, nandyan ako, nakatayo, waiting 24 hours before the appointment. And right after ma-identify ng system na yung appointment ko, mangyayari ng 24 hours later, or kumbaga 24 hours away na before the appointment, po-proceed na sa next step, which magsasend ng email reminder na nakalagay doon na this is a 24-hour email reminder about your upcoming appointment tomorrow at this and this and that na date and time, kumbaga. And then you can replicate that same process again and again, yung wait step, yung email, yung wait step, yung email, wait step, email. Iibahin mo lang yung configuration. As an example, this one, wait step siya na 1 hour before. It should wait 1 hour before the appointment. And then magsasend na another email reminder na kalagay doon is your appointment is 1 hour away. And then you can have another wait step na 10 minutes before. Mag-wait ng 10 minutes before the appointment. And then a last email reminder na nakalagay doon. Join this link now. I'll see you in 10 minutes, etc. etc. And after you build that, dapat tapos na yung automation from there. You can always make this more sophisticated later. You can add more steps later. But this simple automation right here should be good enough for now. Now, for us to move forward, balikan natin tong step na to kanina, which is create or update opportunity. Basically, what this step does is si Matthew right here, mapupunta siya dun sa pipeline na na-build natin earlier. And ito yung itsura ng pipeline na yun. So, as an example, meron dyan isang step, book a call. Dapat makikita dyan, Matthew Gavin Panganiban, nag-book ng call, so that if your client is trying to check kung sino yung mga nag-book ng call, sino yung mga nag-show up, sino yung mga no-show, yung mga nasenda ng proposal, sino yung na-close na mga leads, yung mga na-close na customers, makikita niya yan dito sa pipeline na to. And if you're able to do this kapag tinest mo to, na pumunta ka sa funnel mo, and then nag-book ka ng call dun sa calendar, nakita mo yung thank you page, nakatanggap ka ng email confirmation, and then nakita mo yung sarili mo dito, your system is actually working by that point. And yeah, after mo mag-in, you're pretty much done. Nagawa mo yung very simple system na mapapansin mo quite an identical function sa majority of the times na hihingin sa'yo ng client. By that point, masasabi mo na nagawa mo na to and kaya mo na tong gawin. You're not claiming na expert ka kagad, but once you've done these core or fundamental or mga foundation features ng GoHighLevel, you can start charging for your work. You can start delivering services for your work. You can actually deliver free work essentially, or initially mag-deliver ka ng free work in exchange for a testimonial or a positive review for your service. Now, if you want to dive deeper sa kung paano nabibuild tong mga systems na to, I highly encourage you na mag-join ka sa Colony community today. It's completely for free to join. Check the link in the description. You should gain access to the free Colony community with more than 15 or more than 20 hours of free courses and free resources, and napakarami ng mga tao dito na nakasign ng clients. They didn't pay for anything. So I look forward to seeing you there. Hopefully this Friday 9 p.m. makita kita sa weekly Q&A call so that I can answer your questions as well, and that ultimately as soon as you could makakuha tayo ng client mo. So head to the link in the description. I hope to see you there.